What? Why I'm always hiccuping? Because I was drugged and my body is healing from being drugged. Because I told y'all Little Dirk and Richard Booz just tried to drug me and rob me.
Nigga, do you know that I can see you? Nigga, you right there. It's on your nose, nigga. What?
Oh my God, nigga, first of all, let's get this straight. For the umpteenth thousand times, you drugged yourself. You didn't get drugged, you took drugs. And this shit was a year ago.
Message!
Almost 2 years ago. Damn near, my nigga. You've been milking this shit all year. I was drugged, my body's still healing. 1 minute you delivered and you're back, and next minute